IGP's Vehicle Tracking System. The iGPS tracking software is a cutting-edge solution that goes beyond traditional tracking methods to provide precise and reliable location information. With its advanced technology and intuitive interface, iGPS tracking software offers a wide range of features that make it an ideal choice for businesses and individuals alike. One of the key components of the iGPS tracking software is the hardware tracking device, which is designed to work seamlessly with the Global Positioning System, GPS. The software communicates with the tracking device using either General Packet Radio Service, GPRS, or the GPS protocol, both of which offer unique advantages. However, the GPS protocol is widely preferred due to its high efficiency and cost-effectiveness. In recent years, the demand for GPS tracking software has skyrocketed, especially in the realm of vehicle tracking. Businesses can benefit from the software by improving fleet management and enhancing operational efficiency. For individuals, it provides a convenient way to protect personal vehicles and monitor loved ones. Additionally, the integration of GPS tracking software with the vehicle's electronics offers precise navigation capabilities to the driver, making it an all-in-one solution for location-based needs. The iGPS tracking software also offers passive tracking, which is a user-friendly option for obtaining location information. GPS devices acquire signals to collect location data, which is stored in the internal memory of the devices. The tracking software then organizes this data into a comprehensive format that can be viewed on a geographical satellite image program, allowing users to track their assets effortlessly. With its live tracking feature, the iGPS tracking software provides an easy-to-use monitoring dashboard with real-time data from the GPS device. Users can quickly determine the exact location of their vehicles and monitor fuel consumption with just a few clicks. The History feature allows users to view vehicle routes visually on a map, graph, or in HTML, XLS format, making it convenient for analyzing data and optimizing business efficiency. The software also supports different types of sensors for the GPS tracker device, such as RFID, fuel, door, and engine sensors, providing comprehensive monitoring capabilities. The iGPS tracking software collects data from the GPS tracking system and presents it in an organized format, allowing users to access critical information such as speed, time, route, and direction on their mobile phone or personal computer. In summary, the iGPS tracking software offers a wide range of functions tailored to meet various needs, making it a versatile and powerful tool for accurate and efficient tracking. Contact info@qz.com.me. Thanks for watching.